An exciting holiday awaits St. Lucians as the island gears up to celebrate National Day on Friday, December 13th. Leading up to the festivities, the Festival of Lights on Thursday, December 12th at Derek Walcott Square promises a captivating display of handmade lanterns and dazzling lights.
We invite you to join us at the Derek Walcott Square on Thursday, 12th December at 7 p.m. for the Parade of Lanterns and the much-anticipated Festival of Light.
Anticipation is building, with both officials and patrons eager to witness the creativity and brilliance of the night.
Lantern in itself has a very rich historical impact in terms of our human race, and it dates back to prehistoric times when persons used to literally use moss wrapped up in animal fat and hang it over their cave roofs to give them light. Today we have the more beautifully crafted oil lanterns, kerosene lanterns, and the candlelit creations that we know today.
The Lantern Competition Awards ceremony recently took place, with several individuals taking home prizes and a commemorative lantern in recognition of their creativity and craftsmanship.
And in first place, for our traditional junior category, we have House of Horoscopes by Jolie Christopher. And in first place, for our traditional senior category, we have Unconditional Love by Joy Grant.
But all eyes were trained on the beauty of the 2024 overall lantern winner.
Our best overall lantern goes to Perry Marcial, St. Lucia Diamond Award.
The Lantern Competition aims to preserve and strengthen St. Lucia's traditions across generations, while also promoting local creativity.
Lantern making has long been a cherished part of our December festivals, illuminating not just the streets of Castries and homes, but also the spirit of our nation. This timeless tradition serves as a beacon connecting us to the essence of St. Lucian culture. Our ingenuity, our unity, and our ability to create light even in the darkest of times. It is a testament to the importance of preserving our unique cultural heritage and passing it on to future generations.
The Festival of Lights sets the stage for National Day, followed by the traditional racing at the Kakabeth in Vieux-Fort on Friday, December 13th.